Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gavyn Sky, and this is my brand new painting kit called Seaside. You can order that on gavynsky.com, and it comes with free shipping, and it's really pretty affordable, and you can make a painting just like this. So come on and join the fun. I'll show you exactly how to make one of these. I suck at YouTube videos, but it's okay. You don't have to be perfect at everything. What this is about, just having fun and experimenting and trying new things. And this is my third painting kit available on my website. This is I don't have a name for it yet, but it's probably going to be ocean themed or something of that sort. We've got some pretty oceany blue colors, and I think they're going to go well in a lot of people's houses, so I'm hoping these sell. But this is a nice 12 by 16 gallery wrapped canvas. Go big or go home, that's my motto. And these are all of our paints. We've got a darker blue. We've got a lighter metallic blue. We've got kind of a cobalt green. And then the sky metallic blue. And the white as well. This could be our base. I'm quite sure how I want to do that. But the end result should be kind of similar to this beautiful coaster. Yeah, this is one of, I got 30 of these going to Dallas. Been a huge pain in my butt, but the customers really going to enjoy those. So that's kind of the inspiration. Tonight's beverage, by the way, don't forget to drink and paint at the same time. It really does help kind of calm your nerves, helps kind of get rid of those inhibitions if you overthink stuff. You know, have yourself a nice beverage or two before you get to painting. This is, it's one of my favorite cups. Actually, it's got paint all over it. Well, I mean, it's been there for like 2 years, so it's not coming off, but this is Speedka vodka, about 3/4 of the way with Dole's pineapple orange banana, and then a smidge of V8 Splash, the strawberry kiwi, and it is delicious. Goes down a little bit too quick, honestly. Oh, the other night I was having some of those and got into a war with my Google Mini. Every time I say that word, Google, like crazy stuff happens around the house because everything's tied to lights and the TV, and it misunderstands things. And so I was trying to get it to do something and it wasn't doing anything. It was doing different weird stuff. So yeah, I got to say the word quietly, Google. Just don't say the word Google, okay? Just don't say anything. So this is a start. We've got our cups on here, and God, you guys, it's a cold winter's night in Missouri. Nothing else to do. Figured I'd go ahead and make a YouTube video. I did make another video for another painting kit, but it just didn't come out very good, so scrapped it. The rest of that, give it away to a charity or something. That's what happens in this business. Sometimes you just don't always get, the results you want. So, guess I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves. For once, I got my scissors nearby, so I'm ready to rock and roll with my tincture bottle. I'm thinking about doing just a direct drop again on this. We could do a dirty pour, but I don't really have all the stuff I need for that. Great thing about these kits are it really does provide you with all the things that you need, to do it on your own, and there's lots of variations. You can, the hardest part about this is just mixing up your paints, getting your paints mixed up, putting all this stuff together. So I've taken the initiative and got all that out of the way for you, so you can take these paints and do whatever you want with them. I've had some real good luck just pouring straight on the canvas, like keeping them kind of separated. So I think that's what we're going to do today. It's kind of how I did my coasters. Last one we did was the interplanetary kit, and you can see just we got some really beautiful like flower-like cells out of this. So that was pretty cool. That was the end result of that one. And then our Mystic Garden, I think, came out even better. It's a beautiful piece here. It's another painting kit available on GavynSky.com. But I like the way that these cells are. They're just different, you know, different than the regular ones you normally see on other YouTube videos. Seems like every day somebody's coming up with something new, which is great. I mean, it's just fun. It's just so fun to just try it all out. So we're gonna start off with, I think we're gonna start off with our darker color and work our way up to light, and eventually to white. I include a lot of paint in these kits, so you can honestly, if you've got another small canvas around, you don't have to use all this paint. Be sparing with it, and go do another canvas with it. You paid for it, it's your stuff. Alright, so dark blue there. We're going to that lighter metallic blue. Who really cares how we put this on? Let's just throw it on there and move it around. It's a fun thing to do when the kids are gone. Both my boys are working right now, so they're teenagers. Work up at the Pizza Hut. Trying to survive. I like my alone time without my kids. I love them, but I do love my alone time and love being able to paint while they're gone. Just recently broke up with my girlfriend. Wasn't working out, so that's one more distraction gone. We're doing a lot of painting, a lot of YouTube videos. And a lot of drinking, probably. I mean, what else is there to do? It's winter time. I do have a couple kayaks. I like to get out on the river, enjoy the Ozarks. It's one of the most beautiful places, you know, on earth. When you're out there on the river, really nothing else matters, and it's a good chance to charge those creative batteries. Enjoy nature. Get a little sunshine. Of course, meet a lot of friends. We've had a lot of good times out there on the rivers up here in the Ozarks, Missouri. And that's why I love calling it home. Although we get some crazy stuff like snow-nados. My house actually got hit by a tornado the other day. Fortunately, this thing is built like a World War II tank. I can't hardly even get a screw in the wall, and it's going to take a little more than a little piddly tornado to do any damage. We had some major tree stuff happen, but all in all, pretty safe. Worked out okay. But then the next day we had snow, so can't catch a break. I got a lot of paint on here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour a lot of this off. I just direct poured it. I didn't do a base, you know, spread around like I normally do. Sorry, this is gonna go out of view for a second here. I don't want to leave too much paint, but I don't want to dump too much off either. So we kind of have to find a nice medium here for these cells to really pop. Here comes a train. Every time I want to make a video, I got 20 trains driving by. I pretty much live right on the tracks. Gotten used to it over a few years, but my goodness. Oh, this is looking pretty. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. We are just about perfect on paint. I don't really want to dump a lot more off, I think. We'll just go with 10 more. So we're gonna go ahead and do a direct drop on this. I've kind of let the paint settle a little bit. I love the way that everything's positioned. I'm pretty sure I've got enough paint off the canvas. I already see some really great cell structure happening already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little tincture bottle I got in my kit, and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle this on and let the magic happen. Do it from a high distance so it kind of splashes. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sweet. Oh yeah. So it's really reacting well. We've got all these beautiful like flower-like cells. That's one thing I love about this particular technique is these cells are just, they're not your average traditional cells. They've got, they're very dynamic. They spread out and they're like flowers. So I mean, we should define this as like a flower cell, you know, particular type of painting. Just love the way that it ends up coming out, and with this metallic in here, it's really noticeable on the reactions that we get. So I'm kind of watching this. This is going to continue to grow for a little while, and I'll probably go ahead and turn on a fan in the room here and kind of get her drying. Yeah, I really like this kit. This is one of probably going to be the most popular color choices that I've got, because I mean, blues, you can't go wrong with them. Nope, they look good in just about everybody's house. Yeah, I really do like this. Let me see if I can get you a nice little view of how this looks. Yeah, you can see those flower type of cells that we've got in there. It's gorgeous. That's probably going to continue to grow for probably the next 15 minutes, which is enough time for me to make another drink. Here's the one that didn't work out very well. It's still pretty. So I'll probably resin that and give it to a charity so they can auction it off and make a few bucks and go for a good cause. And through the magic of video, we are dry. Beautiful piece, came out wonderful. This is my Seascape painting kit, $35.99 on gavynsky.com, and that includes free shipping. So you just can't beat that deal. Affordable fun. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media pages. I'd just love it if you gave my Facebook page a like and my Instagram page a like. There'll be a lot more painting kits to come. So I hope you enjoyed everything, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.